Hey everybody, this is Mr. Fike. I'm trying something new. I'm just using my phone to make a quick recording. So we are supposed to be in units 5 and 6 in Philosophy 11, Critical Thinking. And so some of you have completed the discussion in Unit 4 and some of you have not yet. So you want to finish that as soon as possible. It is past due. And then what we want to do is really focus on units 5 and 6. The units 5 and 6 are the red hot center of the course. They are the what's that expression? Bread and butter of critical thinking. So all critical thinking classes, that's the central core material. Later in the course, we'll be relying upon our appreciation and mastery of the concepts in units 5 and 6 to be successful in our future work. So there are technical concepts. So when I talk about evaluating an argument is a very specific thing in our class, and the evaluation goes along a very specific chain, and it's a procedure. So this is not, when I say evaluate an argument, in critical thinking as a discipline, we're not talking about how do you feel about it? Do you like the conclusion? Yeah, I think it's strong in some vague way. That's not it. So you really have to pay attention to each page in units 5 and 6. An argument evaluation, first of all, you have to know what an argument is. That is, it's a series of claims, precisely one of which functions as the conclusion and all the others of which function as premises. And what those really amount to in the real world, you use them all the time. Some arguments are inductive, some are deductive. That distinction is made. Some arguments are valid, some are invalid. If they're valid, they're automatically deductive arguments. From there we go on, right? We have a series of terms: soundness for deductive arguments, and then for inductive arguments, they are either weak or strong. And if they're strong, a subset of those is cogent. So you're going to be asked to produce arguments of your own, and you want a good argument. So that means if it's a deductive argument, it's going to be sound. And if it's an inductive argument, it's going to be cogent. You're going to make that judgment. So, and you're also going to say why you made the judgment that you do. So that's what we're up to in units 5 and 6. And that's why I hope that you can complete unit 4 as soon as possible. And that's also why the discussion for units 5 and 6 isn't due until, I think, the 25th, and this is the 22nd. It's because that material in units 5 and 6 really does take some time to master. Okay, let's see how this recording went. I'm recording from the living room in my home using my phone. I've never done it like this, but let's check it out.